Girl, I'm getting out of the car. I didn't even turn the damn car off. What is wrong with me?
Got so no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. I don't want no scrub, no scrub, no scrub, no scrub. I don't want no scrub.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I am back. I know it's been a while, but you know, I have not been in the mood to record and all that. So today's October 1st, first day of fall, and I forgot to moisturize. Right now, I did my makeup today because, honestly, just because I wanted to, you know, you just like to do your makeup to make sure, you know, you still got it. So I just did it. It's October 1st, spooky month, so I'm excited. Today I'm going to the grocery store. It is currently, let's see, it's 1:14. I'm going to Aldi's because I want to make chili today. And I need, like, I don't like using ground beef. I usually use, like, ground turkey. And I need to go get that. So that's what I'm doing. I got my AirPods in and I did not bring the case out. And I'm not going back inside. So just pop them in here for now. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to get something to eat because I have not had anything to eat since I woke up. So I'm going to do that. I just don't know what I want to eat. Anyways, I'm letting my car warm up, and I'm about to play some tunes. Let me connect my phone. So, yeah. My car is good now to go. It's not like a hot day today, so it's perfect. Anyways, I don't want to get distracted, so I don't want to look at this while I'm driving. I don't want to get copyrighted. But how have y'all been? It's the first day of fall. Like, I am so excited though, because fall is my favorite season. Like, favorite. Love it so much. So I'm excited. I'm trying to download I'm trying to start writing down and just planning out all the shows that I want to watch. Because, you know, we got 31 days, and I'm trying to make sure I watch all the Halloween movies that I watched as a kid. So, I'm trying to think, like, what's y'all favorite Halloween type show? Mine has to be Sleepy Hollow. I love Sleepy Hollow with Johnny Depp. One of my favorites. I loved the book growing up and everything. Definitely love Hocus Pocus, but Sleepy Hollow is like my favorite. And I've always wanted to visit the town that it's filmed in. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all because I be having to pay attention when I'm on the boulevard. If y'all are from Philly, I kind of live close to that area. But they put like speed, like they're not playing around when it comes to the speed limit. So I be having to pay attention because I be like, I know there's a speed limit, but then I'm like, why is everyone driving so slow? And then it clicks again, like, girl, It's beautiful. So I'll be just, paying attention. Anyways, I'll let y'all watch the drive. Alright, y'all, so I need to put my mask on. Let me just put this one on. So So what I really came in here to get, it is so weird vlogging. I feel it's so weird. I think I need some kidney beans or so. So it's basically a bunch of beans that I'm getting for the chili. And then I got the ground turkey. So what I need now is like onions and stuff for it. Yep, here's the produce section. So here, I just need, I like these bell peppers, but I like the all green ones for chili. Because I don't, yeah, oh, here they are. All green. Oh, they're falling out. Let me get these ones. And then, we do need onions for the house. So, let's get one. Damn, that's a lot of onions though. I don't need that much. I don't need that much onions, that's the thing. I'm gonna have to get it. And then I'm trying to think what else I normally get for chili. I'm gonna go to the bread section and then I'm gonna be done. So I'm back. Alright, you guys, so I'm all done, and then I can go home. The thing is, I don't know what to eat. I have no clue what to eat. Of course, this thing would have to be in the way. to figure out what to eat. I feel like I could go for Chinese food, but I don't know. I do not know. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I need to look up spots that I can go to. So I ended up getting Chinese food. I'm about to go pick it up and then I'm gonna go home because I'm starving. Let me turn this down, child. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So I have a test coming up in like 3 weeks exactly that I need to be studying for. It's a standardized test to get into graduate school, so I can't afford to, you know. Plus I had to pay like this, so I'm taking the GREs, and I think I paid like $205. That was the price to take it. So it wasn't cheap, and I'm not paying that again. They say you can take it as much times. Oh, thank you. They say you can take it as much times as you want, but girl, yeah, they say that because you gotta pay. So I'm not in that, so I have to do well this try. So I'm buckling down, studying for the next 3 weeks every single day so that I'm all set, and then I can go take it. And that's like the last step I have so that I can, you know, send out my applications for grad school. I went to a couple of schools, and yeah, I just gotta answer a few essay questions and then I'm good to go. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do some studying today. I do have 2 videos that I needed to be editing, but I haven't gotten around to them, so I'm gonna try to do them today, and then yeah, just relax. So I'm gonna play some music because I hate driving without music, and I'll get back to you guys. So I'm home now. I went and got the Chinese food, and now I'm home, and I don't know how I'm getting all these bags in. I hate bringing bags. I'm gonna just bring those first, and then I'll grab my food and then bring that in. Girl, I'm getting out of the car. I didn't even turn the damn car off. What is wrong with me? I'm not used to I am not used to vlogging at all. I think someone else can probably fit here if I move up a bit. So move up a little when I come back to grab my food. So gotcha. Y'all, so my battery is dying. So that is it for now. I might come back, I might not. I might come back. So yeah, I'm gonna charge my battery though, because I only have this one battery and I need to get a new one. Well, not a new one, but I need an extra one. So yeah, I'll be back. What is up, you guys? It's Tori, and what I feel like y'all don't know me. It's a new day. When I ended that vlog, it had been like a couple days past, and yeah, I'm just back. I kind of look. Today is not doing anything. It's just I'm running to the store real quick to get I'm running to the store to get a few things, but I'm just going to Acme though. Damn. Where? Look at this cat, y'all. So, yeah, I'm about to go to Acme real quick because I need, I want to go to their alcohol section because I want to get Prosecco because I haven't had some in a while. And then I need to go to the nail salon. Not because I'm getting my nails done. I just want to get my eyebrows waxed. So yeah, I want to get my eyebrows waxed because it's getting to that time. And then, yeah, that's all I'm doing really. But I figured I should draw out this vlog a bit more and do some other stuff so that it's not like just 5 minutes. And then we'll talk on the drive. Let me put my camera up on this thing. Let's see, pull out of here. No parking. And I hate going somewhere and like not knowing if there's gonna be parking when I get home. I don't understand why there's never parking. Anyways, I'm gonna just hurry up and go where I gotta go. Hopefully I can come back and get that parking that I had earlier, because I don't want to park all the way at the end of the block. So yeah, today it looks like it's gonna rain though. It looks like it's gonna rain, but I don't think it is. I think it's just cloudy. I don't think what I could talk to you guys about. I don't live far from Acme, probably like 10 minutes. It's close to where I go to the gym. And I just like going there because I hate going to the actual liquor store. Like, I always like going in there. The one that's close to me, the parking lot is so weird. I just feel like it's just too much anxiety parking. It's too crowded. So I never want to go. So Acme works out perfectly. They don't have everything. They don't have everything, but what they do have is like what I drink, which is basically wine. So I just prefer to go there. And the Acme close to me finally started selling alcohol, so I was just like, perfect, because I used to go to this other one that's like further from where I'm at, so worked out perfectly. So yeah, I want to make some tacos later. I saw this girl on TikTok making them, and I was just like, I haven't had them in a while, so I'm gonna do that. I already have chicken breasts, but I just need like, I have onions and stuff, but I need like the ingredients to make guacamole. So that's the other reason why I'm going to Acme. Even though I don't really grocery shop at Acme, but I don't feel like going to 2 stores. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I might make a video. Just see how I'm feeling. I might make a video. I don't know though. Oh, and let's talk about my skin. So my skin, it's not perfect, but it's getting back to like, it's close to normal again. You know, I just need to get rid of the dark spots and hyperpigmentation, which are kind of lining up since I've been using this new product. It's not new, it's just it's called Faded by Topicals. I've been using that like every other night, and that has been helping. So yeah, I was using like, let's see, I used what's it called? Ordinary. I was using that, and then because I was wearing masks at work, like it wasn't. Oh, what's happening over here? I'm in a garage sale. So I live close to this naval base, but I don't know what they're doing over there. Looks like a garage, not a garage sale, like a flea market. I would show y'all, but it's a bit hard for you to see. But yeah, I was using what's it called? Dang, I just said it. Ordinary. I was using Ordinary, and it's not expensive. I think it's like $5 to $10 is what the range is. And so I was using like 3 products from there, and my skin was doing great. But I don't know what happened, and then like the mask made me get so much dark spots to the point where I was like, I feel like I need more than the Ordinary. So I stopped using it, and I decided to go with Curology because I had initially did like that, what do you call it, the free trial where you got the 3 products and you just paid for shipping. I did that, and I liked the product, so I was like, you know what, maybe I should try them again. So I stopped using the Ordinary, and I went back to using Curology. So I paid for the full size one, and I paid for it. And the thing, I feel like it just made my skin worse, or it wasn't like bad. It was just like not great. I feel like it wasn't helping, and the thing is, I was still using similar products to like what I used. I think I came in too weird. So yeah. Anyways, I was using the Curology, right? And I think it was just making my pores like appear like really large. I didn't like that. So I stopped using it, and I'm back to using the Ordinary brand. And then I just added like a few things to the routine, which was that Faded cream from Topicals. I use it like every other night. And so far it's been helping my skin. I feel like once I get rid of the dark spots, I'm good to go. I'm not having as much breakouts, so that's good. I'll keep y'all updated though. Anyways, I'm gonna go into this place, and then I'll be back. Let me put my mask on. Y'all, I finally got Crocs, and when I tell you these things are so comfy, I can't believe it took me this long to get some. Anyways, I'm at Acme, about to go in. kind of held off on getting one. I'm not even getting that much stuff, but I just don't feel like walking with a bag, with a basket, so let me just get one of these. Alright, so this is the alcohol section, and usually the Prosecco is all the way at the other end, so let me see. I swear, some people don't like Prosecco because it's too dry, but I love it. This brand, this one is really good. And, but this brand right here, this one's really good too. Love it. Oh my god, so yeah. Let's see. This one is my favorite brand too. But I feel like there's this other brand that I get that was really good. And it wasn't that expensive. Because I've been trying to figure out like all the ones that I like. I can't find it though.
Jimmy, call seafood or coming seafood, Jimmy, call seafood.
Because see, I see this one. But I could have sworn this brand had like a Prosecco one too. I don't see it. This is just rosé, and I don't want rosé. I'm just gonna get the Neewer one because it's probably the other one. I don't know where it's at, but anyway, we'll get this one. And look for what I actually came in here for. So y'all, I actually found the one. This is it, the Josh one that I was talking about. It's the last one. So I'm like, I know I'm not going crazy. Like, this one was really good. I like this one too. I'm gonna get that one instead. Don't get me wrong, I like these ones, but I tried this one the last time and it was good, so I want to try it again. So you guys, I'm about to go to my car, but I'm not so crazy. I could not find the tortilla that I wanted. So all I ended up getting was the wine. But I was gonna do my like makeup and stuff today just because, to practice, but I'm not going to. I feel like I just want to lie down. This weather is just making me want to lie down, watch a movie. Then I have to study for a bit. But yeah, I'm not feeling in the mood. So I'm still gonna go get my eyebrows waxed. But that's about it. Let's see. But yeah, this is the wine that I ended up getting, in case you didn't see it initially. But it's called Josh. It's a Prosecco Rosé. So I wanted just Prosecco, but at the same time, I really like this one. So I was like, you know what, let me get it again. I like it. Okay, so it was like $13.99. Wasn't too bad. But yeah, that's all I ended up getting. Now I'm about to drive home. I live close to the nail salon, so it's like 1 block over from where I'm at, the one that I always go to. So I'm just gonna go there, get it done, and then go home. So I'm gonna park at home and then walk over there. So yeah, I will get back when I'm done. Alright, so I'm back home, and yeah, I got my eyebrows waxed. They just feel like it's so much easier to do your eyebrows when it's like, you know, waxed. You don't have to use as much concealer. You don't have to do all that. You just have to, you know, fill them in. and, you know, shape them a bit better. I definitely want to go and get them tinted one day and like properly like make sure that they're like measured out and do all that. I just need to figure out where to go. But yeah. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys these boots I got. So let's see. The other day I finally decided to go, well, I saw a girl on TikTok. She got like some boots and they were from ASOS. So I was like, I've always wanted some of those boots, and they were having like a sale. So I was like, let me check it out. So let me show y'all the boots. Alright, so these are the boots. They're from ASOS. They say Semi London on it. I'm not sure what about this brand, but the boots, and they're so cute. Like, they really add, let me move my clothes out the way. They really add like height and everything. So let me try them on and show y'all. Hold on. Because I cannot wait to wear them. I'm wondering what I should wear them with. Like, what will go great with them. Let's see. Oh, let's see how they look. I'm kind of wearing, jeans that I'm wearing are not like, I kind of have some straight leg pants on now, so I don't know if it's doing it justice. But let me show you how it looks. Alright, so this is them. This is it with my pants over it, which is not what I'm trying to do. And then this is it. They're really cute. And they fit perfectly. And they definitely add height. You know? Let me zoom in. I like them. Now I just need to figure out what to wear them with. But yeah, I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day. I think I'm gonna lie down for a bit, study in a few. Then, yeah. Not much to do today. It's, what is it, Saturday? But it's pretty chill. And like I said, the weather, it looks like it's about to rain. So I'm probably gonna watch a Halloween movie. And that's it. That is it. I might come back, I might not. I'll let y'all know though.